In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view responses in Google Forms. If you've shared a form and want a quick, clear way to see what people have submitted without downloading anything or switching tools, this walkthrough is for you. We'll keep it simple and make sure you know exactly where to click and what to look for. First, open your Google form. You can do this by going to your Google Drive and opening the form file, or by visiting the Google Forms homepage and selecting the form you've been working on. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that has edit access to the form. If you can open the form and see the editing interface, the questions, titles, and design, you're in the right place. Once your form is open, look to the top of the page. You'll see a row of tabs labeled Questions, Responses, and Settings. Click the Responses tab. This is the dedicated place where Google Forms gathers everything that's been submitted. Right away, you should notice a number at the top that shows how many entries have come in so far. That count is a helpful indicator that your form is active and receiving submissions. With the Responses tab selected, the main area of the form now shows the responses themselves. This is where you can review what people have sent. You'll typically see a clean, organized layout that summarizes the data for each question. For multiple choice or checkbox questions, you may see charts and percentages that make patterns easy to spot. For short answer or paragraph questions, you'll see the text that respondents typed out. Simply scroll down to move through each question's collected answers and take in the overall picture of your results. If nothing appears yet, don't worry. That usually means no one has submitted the form. In that case, all you need is to wait for responses to come in and then come back to this same tab. If you're expecting submissions but don't see them, double-check that you're viewing the correct form and that you have editing access. As you review, keep in mind that this built-in view is meant to be quick and readable. It's ideal for getting a fast snapshot of trends and reading individual comments without leaving the form. When you're done, you can stay in the form to keep editing questions, or simply close the tab. That's all there is to it. Open your form, click Responses, and review everything right in the main area.